And now, of course, let's talk about Kareena Kapoor. What's happening with her? Well, she was in Vicky Frames, and of course, she dropped a couple of bombs. The first bomb, she said, of course, that as far as I'm concerned, and as far as women are concerned, even after they're married, आज के डेट में कोई भी difference नहीं है. It's like you were not married. Okay, that's a new one. But not only that, she also said, I'd like to die acting. Well, won't we all? Especially if you're getting all that money and all those roles that you get when you're a Kareena Kapoor.
The theme of Vicky, engaging 1 billion consumers and reaching the 1,000 crore mark, are poetic, aspirational, but very close to reality, I think, in the eventuality of it.
Karan ji ne mujhe bulaya, and there was senior, bureaucrats, Disney ke jo head the, everyone there all called me and invited me. I'm happy I was in time to light the lamp. And film industry ki hu, film industry ki ladki hu. तो Vicky Frames के पहले दिन पे आना, आप लोगों से मिलना, I think it's part of me. मेरे रगों में दौड़ रहा है films, so obviously I'm really happy कि I could be a part of this.
Is to be with people like Karan Johar, Sujoy Ghosh, Kabir Khan and Amitabh. I mean, all of us are, and apart from Karan, of course, are like gate crashers, as they said, and I've fraternized with these people even outside of the session, and they're lovely people. So whenever you're with talented co-workers in the industry, it's great fun.
It was a packed house, and I'm really glad that we had Gauri and Sujoy and Kabir with us, and everyone's insights were wonderful.
Content which determines our future, and that's how it's going to go forward. Going forward, that's how it's going to be.
One of the changes is what we were discussing. This is to try and bridge the gap between potential filmmakers and storytellers and sort of the film industry.
I've never been interested in production or direction, writing. एक्टिंग में हमेशा दिलचस्पी रही है, बचपन से लेकर अभी तक, बुढ़ापे तक भी यही चलेगा. सेट पर जाती रहूंगी, and I hope that one day I will die on a set at 80.
But I'm still open to acting offers, which I've been telling Gauri and to Sujoy and to Kabir that I would like to do a character role in a movie. No, we're still in the process of casting Shuddhi, and very soon we will make an announcement. Hrithik is definitely. He's not. Just to put it on record, Shuddhi is not an adaptation of Immortals Milua. That's a totally separate. It's not at all a prequel of that or anything else. Shuddhi is a totally different film directed by Karan Malhotra, which stars Hrithik Roshan. Immortals of Milua is being created and adapted as we speak. It's being developed and will be cast only when the screenplay is right. It's two separate films altogether.
Have you approached Kareena to play the part?
We have approached no leading actors to play the part. We will be announcing and approaching very soon.
Well, the times certainly have changed, and it is the time of married heroines. Some of them, of course, come back after many years. Sri Devi being the case in point, and there seems to be no difference at all. Or is there a difference? Question mark to that.
They are women on top.
करना और शादी करना कुछ बुरे की बात तो नहीं है.
They are chanting when on screen, humble when off screen, and committed when home.
मैं एक एक्टर हूँ और मैं शादीशुदा हूँ, और ये दो अलग चीजें हैं.
With changing times, the women of today are essaying many roles deftly, and the ones bringing out this role revolution are the married heroines.
एक औरत प्यार करती है या शादी करती है किसी से, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो लोग उसे और नहीं चाहे, और वो स्क्रीन जो उनका कैरेक्टर है उनको नहीं चाहे.
अंगड़ाइयां लेती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से. Right at the front, holding the fort is Begum Kareena Kapoor Khan. With plum projects like Satyagrah and Gori Tere Pyar Mein in her kitty, she's flagging one peak after the other, and the woman isn't giving up ever. It's her dream she's living, and even the Nawab isn't holding her back from the frame.
प्यार और फिल्मों में कुछ सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है। और अगर एक औरत प्यार करती है या शादी करती है किसी से, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो लोग उसे और नहीं चाहे, और वो स्क्रीन पे जो उनका कैरेक्टर है उनको नहीं चाहे। तो ये दो बहुत अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, एंड वी शुड नॉट ट्राई एंड क्लब देम।
So while the leading lady is donning many skins on screen, the man of the moment is Vidya Balan, who has redefined the term hero. The woman who has had many a movie maker spinning kahani around her, and she says the picture's just going to get dirtier.
मैं एक एक्टर हूँ और मैं शादीशुदा हूँ, और ये दो अलग चीजें हैं, एंड I think both of us respect each other's work, and that's what I'll leave with that.
So while we have the heroine and heroine right at front, following suit are many others. There's Hawa Hawai back on screen, portraying the role of a married woman, dabbling many roles and quite realistically. And with Sridevi bringing back the 80s, the golden girl of the 90s, Madhuri Dixit is back too, and how?
पेट्रियार्कल सा एक मर्दों का समाज है, तो औरतों को कुछ घर बैठा देना चाहता है। हाँ, तो अब ये हीरोइन होगी तो अगर शादी हो जाएगी तो फिर उसका कुछ ऑडियंस उसके बारे में फैंटेसाइज नहीं, ये सब चीजें ऑडियंस में सब चीजें कुछ मतलब नहीं।
So with many a flattering shades of women on display, the picture's only getting bigger and brighter. Entertainment Bureau headlines today.